Welcome to the Business Objects Web Intelligence Basic Reporting course for version 4.0. My name is Michael Ward and I will be your instructor throughout all of the course. The course description and overview of the InfoView Portal will be one of the first topics we cover. We're going to talk about how to create queries and how to apply query filters to filter our data down. We're going to talk about various formatting of reports and utilizing a feature called the SpeedMenu to create fancy and powerful looking reports. We're going to show you how to use reporting functions, including such things as ranking and breaking and foldline, which is also known as outlining, as well as sorting and local filtering, and then what I refer to as simple calculations. We're going to learn how to apply conditional formatting, an awesome feature that really allows us to enhance our reports and give them much more of a dashboard-like look and to be more of a showstopper. We're going to have a series of lab exercises throughout the course that we'll be doing to reinforce and to highlight certain features as well to make it a better learning experience for you. Okay? Working with the BI Launchpad, some of the course objectives, you'll be able to, number one, log in successfully. You'll then learn how to build queries with filters or without filters, your choice, as we'll see later on. We'll learn how to copy and paste things around, very common part of the product. We'll utilize the speed menu to duplicate reports and do other things. We'll learn how to apply formatting to our reports. We're going to apply a variety of reporting functions to those reports to make them stand out even more. We're going to learn how to apply calculations from simple ones like sum, count, and so on, and again add that additional functionality to the report. We're going to apply conditional formatting to really make the report stand out. Okay? The only core requirement for this particular course is you to have basic window skills. You're able to move your mouse around and your right click and left click and be able to use your basic Windows skills to be able to report. Anybody with an Excel background, you have an additional bonus that a lot of the things that you're going to do are going to be Excel-like, so you'll kind of have a little jump start into the course as well. Registered trademarks and copyrights are outlined for both Business Objects as well as Microsoft. You'll see other products such as Oracle as well that when referencing their particular trademarks are registered along the way. All right. Any other products mentioned are trademarks of their respective owners. The module topics, the Web Intelligence 4.0 overview will include the InfoView Portal that we talked about earlier. It will include building the query. The next module will be adding the query filters. We'll get into complex filters. And then we'll be moving into saving the documents once you've created those. We'll learn how to use the speed menu as part of that process. We're going to learn how to format and apply extensive formatting utilizing formatting features that we're all familiar with already from the Microsoft world. And we'll do advanced formatting. We're going to get into ranking and breaking in reports. These fall under the category of what we call reporting functions, and there's a nice library full of them that are automatically part of Web Intelligence to make our lives easier. We'll talk about outlining and sorting, and remember, outlining is often referred to as foldline as well. And some of the reporting functions will expand out a little bit. We'll be using the filtering conditions locally and local calculations a part of it too. And then the cell formatting is with conditional formatting that we'll learn how to do, along with text and variable formatting, creating various rules and applying those to reports, to columns of reports, to make things stand out. So all part of the various module topics. And again, we'll have exercises throughout that serve as reinforcement and to expand out a little bit and show you some of the things not only to do, but the things not to do as part of that process. The normal curriculum path would be as follows. You would start with the Web Intelligence 4.0 basic course. And from the Web Intelligence Basic, there's an intermediate course. Again, one full day worth of content that's covered there. And then we move into the Web Intelligence 4.0 advanced course as part of that process. Okay? There is both a student guide and an exercise guide that can be downloaded off of the Course Materials tab. Now let's get started and let's move into the very first part of the Web Intelligence Basic Reporting class for version 4.0.